Hello friends, today I am going to discuss very important topics tuples in Python. So first questions has been arising why tuples are important. Mostly most of the times I am using tuples, list, dictionary, range. Okay, these are just like a types of data and types. So tuples in a Python means tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variables. So tuples are written with round brackets. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. So first I am going to create a one tuple, just a tuple and apple, banana, cherry, and just if you write here mango, and I have created a tuple, and now I am going to print here. So this one has been a tuple, has been output has been gotten a tuple. Now the tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow a duplicate values. So if you write tuples items are indexed in the first items has index 0, second item has index 1. So tuples allow a duplicate value. So look here in the tuples I have written here apple, banana, cherry, apple twice. So these apple are the duplicate value, so it allows duplicate value. So if you write the thrice, is also work like this one. Okay, so tuples allow a duplicate value right here. Similarly, I want to get a length of this tuple. So try here the length of this tuple means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because apple has been written a thrice and banana, cherry. Okay, so the length of this tuple has been written. Now if I want to write here, there are 3, all tuples length means how many items a tuple has used as a length functions. So there are 3. So print the number of items in the tuples. Now create tuples with the 1 items. So to create tuples with only 1 items, you have to add a comma after the item, otherwise Python will not recognize is it as a tuple. So look here, just I have written here the commas, apple commas, but I remove this comma, so it Python will not recognize this is a tuple. Look here, str string. So we need to write first element and then we write here commas. This will be, so we can also check here types. Okay, tuples. Similarly, just not a tuple, so you don't put here the commas, so it will be the string. Now I am going to write here, there are 3 variables. In the first variable is the tuple 1, like I have written the strings, and another tuples I have written integers, and third tuples I have written a true false means booleans. Now I want to print tuple 1 comma tuple 2 comma tuple 3. So look here, and another we are going to print tuple 1 plus tuple 2 plus tuple 3. So look here, what is the difference between these? In the first row it has been printed all tuples 1 as an individual way, but in the second it has been printed in the single tuples. all the elements is the inside of this parenthesis. So similarly, if I want to join two and more tuples, so I have written the tuple 1 a, b, c, another tuples 1, 2, 3, and now I want to create a new variable as a tuple 3. So tuple 1 plus tuple 2, and now I am going to print here. So you can also add here the one more element. Just I can add the one more element. So we can see here, look here, it has been added and now created single tuple. Similarly, if I want to multiply a tuples, so if you want to multiply the content of the tuples given numbers, so first I have created the fruits as a tuple, and just if you write the one more variable, and I want to multiply through a 3. So it has been written thrice. Look here, apple, banana, cherry, mango, again apple, banana, cherry, mango, again it has been written thrice, and it forms a single tuple. Tuple can contains the different data types. So it look here, this has been a string, integers and booleans, again integers and strings. So it can create in the different data types. So we can write here. Similarly, I want to know what is the data types of a tuples. So we can check type functions, my tuple as a variables. So we can check here my tuple and apple, banana, cherry. So printed type my tuples, and this has been described here, class tuple. Similarly, now I want to index, like if you create a tuples, so apple is a 0th index and bananas as a 1, second cherry, third is mango, orange, and guava. These are. So if I want to print these tuples as a variables 3 to 9, so let's start 0, 1, 2, 3. So it has been started from the mango, and you don't have the 9 positions, so it can be printed only the mango, orange, and guava. So it has been printed only. But if you like to print here 5, so look here what happened, just 5 is not included, so it's print only mango and orange. Assess tuples items. So how do I assess? So we can assess tuple items by referring to the index numbers. So tuples apple, banana, and cherry. Now one more items. Okay, now I want to note the first item in items. So the first items has index 0. So first item has index 0. So look here, banana has been, because 0th index and this one is the first. Similarly, negative indexing, if I want to start the last as this one, like, so I want to print here last items of the tuple. So look here, mango has been printed. Similarly, if I need to third, fourth items and fifth items, so we can also range of index by specifying where to start and where to end the range. So I can start from the tooth, means 0th, 1th, and tooth. So it will start from cherry and it will complete it third and fourth and fifth has not been included. Okay, so third, second, third and fourth. Now this example return the items from the beginning but not include kiwi. So in this way we can write here the colon and 4 as a rectangular brackets. So we need to print here, look here, apple, banana, cherry and orange, but we don't want to print kiwi. So 1, 0th, 1, 2, 3, so 4th is not included. Similarly, I want to print start from the second item. So 0th, 1, 2 means it will start from the cherry until end. So we can write here tuple as a variable and square brackets 2 colon and close a square bracket and parenthesis. So now range of negative index. So similarly we can also write here that -4 to -1. So look here, it will start from the -4. -4th means -1, -2, -3, -4. It will start from the orange and 2, -1, -3, -1. So check if item exists. So to determine if the specified items is present in the tuples are the keyword. So tuples means apple, banana and cherry. So I am using if apple in tuples. So in this tuple as a variables, so if apples contains in this variable, so now the print is apple is in the fruits tuples. So check the apple is present in the tuples. Look here. So this is the way to create. Another just update tuples means tuples are unchangeable, meaning that you cannot change, add or remove items once the tuples is created. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable, as it is also called immutable. So you can convert the tuples into a list, change the list. Okay, so let's see, just I can convert here, convert the tuples into the list. So first I have created x as a variables and these are the elements in this tuples, and now y will equal to list x. So the tuple converting into the list. Now I want to the print both, print x and print y. So we can see the difference between these printed value, output value. So first output value, it has been types of tuples, and second output it has been list. So we can easily convert tuples into a list. Same I have written. This is the alternative way. We can also, without parentheses, you can also write here and it can represent the tuples. So look here, just I have written here these terms, but it represent here is a tuples, right here. Types of these elements are the tuples. Now create a new tuples with the value like a orange and added that tuples. So first already this tuples has been created here, apple, banana and cherry, and now I want to add the orange as a new tuples. So this tuples and plus and equal y, and now print this tuples. So we can look here, I have created the new tuples and orange has been included in this tuple. So similarly I like to add the 2 and more also elements, add elements. So look here, I have taken the 2 elements and we can add easily and create a new tuple. Slicing of a tuples means with the numbers the tuples I have written the single string the permutations. Now I want to remove the first alphabets like here first three alphabets, so we can easily removing the first elements. So look here, first three elements has been removed, P E R and it will start it from M. If I want to remove the only one elements, so look here, P has been removed from this string. So similarly I want to the reversing the tuples. So reversing the tuples means I can write N O I T A T this type. So if I want to reverse this element, so look here, it will start from beginning to N and look end with a P. So this is the reversing the tuple. Now the printing elements of the range means I want to start from the 4th to 9th range. So the tuple 1 as a variables and I have written a range from this one. So we need to write only this letters. So concatenations, just it is a equivalent to a joint. So I have created the two tuples, tuple 1 and tuple 2. So tuple 1 has been 0, 1, 2 and 3 and tuple 2 it has been created this way. Okay, so now I want to add that of these tuples, it has been already added, right? The tuple 1, tuple 2 and it has been created the new. So we can concatenations of the tuples means adding the 2 and create a new tuples. So it has been created the new tuples like this. Printing the first tuples, just I want to print the tuple 1 as this way. So we can easily create the printing the first tuples here 0, 1, 2, 3. So we can write the tuple 1 colon and print it 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the way to create a tuples. Now the another and create tuples with use a loop. So tuple 1 and Greeks n will equal to, you can write the 5 and 6, it doesn't matter. If I want to write here the 6 and print colon slash n tuples with the loop, and for I in a range integer parenthesis n and close colon tuple 1 and comma print the tuple 1. So look here, it has been created a sub tuples. So look here, this type of the tuples has been created, right? Another, the deleting a tuples means tuples are immutable, so and hence they do not allow deletions of part of it, so it entire tuple gets the deleted. So look here, if I write here the del and tuples, so it is not a working. Look here the error terms. But if I remove this one, look here, if I remove, then it works, right? So is it clear? So we can add the items, so we can also add, we have already discussed here, I have already. Okay, so these are the only terms we can use. The add tuples, tuple to tuples, we can add the two tuples and more than two tuples, and some method is also used here, count method. So I have created one tuples and now I want to count the 5. How many times is the 5? 5. So look here, the 5. So there are 2 times, so it has been counted. Similarly, you can also use here the index. So index methods means search for the first occurrence of the value 8. So look here, the 8, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So your means you have mentioned here the twice the 8th, but only the lowest numbers index has been counted here, right? So automatically Python's count the lowest numbers here. So these are the things we can understand, and for we can also use here the for x in these tuples and print here, so we can easily print the tuples as a right that there are 3 rows and something. So these are the way to how to create a tuples. Thank you.